See what has sold recently on Zazzle. I haven't updated this in a few weeks, so we're just going to go through some of the designs. If there is a product that has sold that I have already featured a bunch of other times in my previous videos, I kind of just omitted it from this because I don't want all my videos to have duplicate things. So this is mostly things that you haven't seen before in other videos. A lot of these are seasonal items. For example, this one is a baby's first Christmas ornament, and it's two-sided. Has a little nutcracker design in the back, and you can personalize the year. And then on the other side of the ornament, you can put the name and birthday. Next, we have a sticker with a Bible verse on it. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. Psalm 23, 2-3. Then we have a Christmas ornament. It says I love you to the moon and back. This is also two-sided, but it has the same design on the front and the back. A postcard with a watercolor design. This would be cool to use as a marketing material for anyone who sells artwork. You could put anything you want on the back of the postcard and mail it out to customers or use it as marketing material when you sell something. Here's a coffee mug with a planetarium design. People silhouettes with a moon in the background and stars. Ho 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 Santa suit Christmas iPhone case. A antique tractor coffee mug. This would be a cool gift for anybody who collects tractors or has an old tractor. You know, a lot of people will display them at like shows. So if you had an old tractor and you took your tractor to county fairs and stuff, this would be a cool mug for that. There's a puzzle with a Bible verse, with God all things are possible, Matthew 19:26. Another sticker, everything is always working out for me. And with all of these designs, if you want the particular design but you want it on a different product, Zazzle will allow you to transfer that design and put it on any product that you want. These are actually paper plates with a steampunk design. This would be cool to use if you're doing some type of steampunk party or even like an escape room type party. It's a sock monkey Christmas ornament. It's two-sided, has the same design on both sides. This is a skateboard deck. It's kind of cool. It's just like a gothic skull and flowers. And you can order the deck only. It comes in different sizes, or you can get the complete skateboard with the wheels and the trucks and everything. This is a placemat. These colors remind me of Dr. Seuss. There's another skateboard deck. This has like monkey drawings on it. Neon, green, and blue. There's a fridge magnet with a Bible verse. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. This is a luggage handle wrap. It says mine, not yours, and it's bright green. And over here, there's a bunch of other colors you can get this in. So you put this on the handle of your luggage so you can easily find it at the airport. You could also customize this with your name also. This is just a postcard with a giraffe print. Another postcard with an octopus. Another postcard with a panda bear beach design. This is a poster with a donkey that says the original Jackass. Another skateboard just has a galaxy design. This is a candy tin with vintage like biplane airplanes, and you can choose to have it filled with jelly beans. So you can order it just the candy tin, or you can order it with the jelly beans. There's a Happy Camper RV can cooler. Holiday Christmas gnomes, little elves. Those are so cute. It's a gift tag where you write to and from. And on the back, it has all the gnomes. And here's the matching wrapping paper. See if we can zoom in a little. Has the Christmas gnomes, and then it says season's greetings. This is a custom photo coffee mug. It has one larger photo and then two smaller ones. You put your own photos in here, so you customize it with your own photos. This is a travel mug. This is another luggage handle wrap. Kind of has a blue marble design and then a personalized name. Rainbow leggings. Those are very bright and colorful. Ceramic tile with a beach surfboard design. A little piglet's Christmas ornament. This is also two-sided. It has the same design on the front and back, and obviously you could add a personalized name on here. There's a Christmas card. The inside says, "From our family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year." You can actually customize that to say anything you want. Wrapping paper with a vintage Santa Christmas design. This is a postcard with a law of attraction money manifestation quote. "I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis." I actually like to use these postcards as bookmarks. I'll order them with a quote that I like, and then I'll use them as bookmarks. A personalized photo Christmas ornament. This is a pewter snowflake ornament. These are really nice. I have a couple of these. This is a pillow. This is just a printed design on there. And a coffee mug with a skull and flowers, sugar skull design on here. And that's it. I'm just so thankful for all these sales. And I like updating and just showing everybody what's been selling in my store lately. I love designing things. I love working on stuff on my own time and then uploading it. And I basically make sales every single day and am paid royalties on that. And customers can customize my designs and kind of make it their own. And I love all the different products that Zazzle has to offer. So I'll be back in a couple weeks and update you with some more. And there's a link in the description where all these products are featured on Zazzle. So just click that link if you want to go look at them or go buy them. Just click the link.